Derp derpity derp 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 diddy derp 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 diddy LOL.
Welcome to my Glow Up series. I will be taking an 8-week journey to glow up. So that means I'm going to try to become happier, healthier, and prettier, I guess. Make sure to subscribe and follow along because I'll be posting a new video every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific time. Make sure to tune in so you can follow along and also maybe glam up yourself. Let's go from grow up to glam.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away.
So this is me, 2010, 9 years old. And here, that's me, 2019, 17 years old. Not much difference in my black hair. Boring. Especially if I wear black, my hair just disappears. People tell me I look like an egg. The world record egg. Gotta glow up big time. So I dyed my hair.
In the ways of the week, the time's been bleak, I know. You're the fight, the cream, the strength in me, I know. And you're driving me crazy. You keep on running.
Okay, so today we will be learning how to curl hair. Bought this new curling iron from Anjo. So we have curling iron, hair clips, turn on the iron. So I think most people curl hair outwards, which I assume is that way or that way. Let's try it. Part my hair into, this is so annoying. Part my hair into 3 sections, top, middle, and bottom. So I'm gonna do the bottom first. Okay, so that's my bottom. And then it came with these like hair clip things, but I don't really know how to use it. I'm just gonna try, maybe, like my hair lady, she always does like this thing, and then she'll like pin it like that. Oh. Clearly not. Okay, maybe I should use a hairband. These 2 tiny little wispies of hair. And then the video told me, okay, I think this heated. Okay, I put on my heating glove. Hopefully this protects me. Let's get started. Okay, so I use this. I'll move this thing. Grab my hair. Oh my god, I'm scared. What if I burn myself? Okay, it'll be fine. Clamp it. The person like started doing like this, like from the middle section. I don't know if that's right, but then they like slid it down. Then, oh gosh, I hope my hair doesn't fry. And slide it down, and they started rolling. Wait, how many seconds again? 10. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, let me. How do I? Ooh, it's pretty. Oh. It's hot. Let my hair down. Oh, it's like not brushed now. So like the person divided the middle section into 2 strands. So that's what I'm gonna do because their hair turned out good. This is my top section, which is the tiny little shrimp. And then find my curl. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wait. Even if I touch it, it's not that hot. Oh, well, I mean, because I have my glove on, but... Hey, I'm a pro at this. Oh, my ear. Oh,